ना मैं जानूं ना तू जाने कैसा है ये आलम कोई ना जाने. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, and again sorry for the delay, and welcoming you all here, and I hope that all of you will come tomorrow at the concert to make the concert memorable as well. So we're coming here after a decade, and all those Jal fans, and they probably have, they are grown ups now, like me, and but still they remember all the songs, and it is so overwhelming to come here again, and to receive such a great welcome at Dhaka Airport in Bangladesh. Thank you so much for that. And secondly, I just want to say that that all those years, whenever I even write something on my social media or Instagram, posting something about a restaurant or trying a new guitar, one message that I always get underneath was that when are you coming to Bangladesh? Even if I write that I like the weather today, they always write down that when are you coming to Bangladesh? So it's so sweet of all the fans, all the people of Dhaka, especially for their love. And I think I always tell people that they are the cutest fans in the world of Jal. Why? Because they are falling like anything. You got a crazy fan following here. Whatever you do, whenever you do, even if you release a new song or a new video on our channel called Jal the Band, a channel on YouTube, they're the first ones to comment, and they write that we are the first ones who just saw your song. So anyway, I'm actually waiting for this moment that has arrived now, that finally Jal is in Dhaka. We are performing tomorrow at Dhaka Arena, and I just can't wait to sing all those songs with all those lovely fans. Press and media people will be there, and I just want to thank these people, Zirconium Group and Nascent Group, for being there, and they've really tried hard to make this happen, and looking forward for a wonderful show, and I welcome you guys again. And it's a musical journey that we started together, and he has always been coming here as well, I've heard that, and I wish him luck, because we do meet and we do discuss music, but it's been more than, we do miss each other as friends, and because we're from the same university, by the way. When I formed the band, he was junior to me, and I used to sing and compose songs, and the very first song that I composed was Adat, and I still remember I was not confident about the song, and my friends are like, what kind of song is this? Dur jitna bhi tum mujhse paas tere. I said, यही बनता है, यही समझ में आ रहा है. And then all those great moments, and jokes apart, I had great respect for him, and I had great respect for everybody in music, whether they're from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, and from India. Because when you connect on the musical level, you understand that language then, right? So this is what I have to say. For the very first time when I came here, I said I wanted to learn Bengali language. And now these guys are talking, the only thing that I can understand is Jal. And for the first, at our very first concert, so when I told them that I want to say something in Bengali when I will go on stage, so they said that you need to learn Amiko Tomake Balobashi. And I said, okay, fine, but how do they know my songs? And they said they don't know the songs, they just sing and enjoy. So when I said that, and the response was massive, and as soon as I started singing, Wo lamhe, wo raate, and the crowd is like, koi na jane. I said, to understand my language, I need to understand their language as well. So anyway, it's my wish to understand Bengali language, and maybe with all these stars sitting next to me as well, maybe we can collaborate and make something nice together someday, inshallah. ना मैं जानूं ना तू जाने कैसा है ये आलम कोई ना जाने फिर क्यों है ये तन्हाई कैसी है ये रुसवाई गुम हो गए क्यों, खो गए हम, वो लम्हे वो रातें कोई ना जाने थी कैसी बातें वो बरसाते, वो भीगी भीगी यादें. Thank you. You realized it in the middle of the performance to add these things. Thanks.